Well, yeah, things are very different from the outside compared to what happens inside the change room. The fact that Jinx mentioned what he mentioned is because not just between me and him, but between the whole team, the camaraderie and the relationship is based on trust, and very well knowing that all of us are working towards only one goal, which is to make India win. And I would like to mention that he fulfilled his responsibility in Australia with flying colours, and it was amazing to see how he led the team towards victory, which has always been our goal. Between me and Jinx, we've always enjoyed batting with each other. It's quite evident on the field, we enjoy each other's company, and it's just a mutual respect bonding, which is more than on the cricket field. We do chat off it as well, we stay in touch, and yeah, it's just based on trust, and hence Jinx said what he said. Between me and him on the field, he's always been someone who's always had the capability and the space and the capacity to come and give in his inputs at different stages of the game, and we do have discussions on the field as to where the game is heading. I do go and discuss a lot of things with him to get more clarity, a different perspective, other than me focusing on the team plans. That's how we work together, and that is a massive reason for the success of the Indian cricket team in the test format, and that partnership, that camaraderie will continue to be the same as it has been, and the mindset for me, for him, for the whole team remains to take Indian cricket forward and lead the Indian cricket team towards victories, and it will continue in the same manner. Well, firstly, I don't think the two can be compared. To me, becoming a father has been and will remain the greatest moment in my life, in both our lives, and that is something that has to be experienced to understand what I'm saying. Secondly, the connection to the team does not go away in any situation, especially when you have given everything for the team, especially the test side for the last 6 years, you know, on a daily basis, being motivated to take test cricket on top, take Indian cricket on top, and the whole group has put in so much effort, and you're connected invariably. And I was watching all the games even before. I mean, the Sydney test I clearly remember, the last test I clearly remember, when Shardul and Washington were going through a partnership. I was watching it on my phone, you know, just before we had to go in when the doctor called us. So that's how connected you are to the team, and that's how much you are looking forward to the guys doing well. And I was so happy and proud to see the whole team come back in the series like we did, and everyone deserves all the credit for what they did in Australia. I won't even say what happened, because it was purely out of determination, grit and belief that they achieved what they ended up achieving, and that is something that's going to remain in the hearts and minds of Indian cricket fans forever. Whether I was a part of it or not, to me that doesn't matter as much as what it matters for the Indian cricket team and the whole country. So yeah, I was very proud, very happy for all the boys, but I came back for a moment that, as I said, is and will be the most special in our lives forever. Basically, जो हमारी टीम की आइडेंटिटी है वो हमने बहुत सालों से क्रिएट करी है। जब से 2014 में मैंने पहली बार टेस्ट कैप्टेंसी करी, और तब से हमने एक चीज़ डिसाइड करी थी कि जहां हमें चांस मिलेगा हम जीत के लिए जाएंगे, और ड्रॉ हमारा लास्ट ऑप्शन रहेगा जब हमारे पास जीतने का चांस नहीं बचता। तो हमने ज़रूर इस चीज़ पे परसिस्ट किया है, डे इन डे आउट, सीरीज़ बाय सीरीज़, हर मैच में, हर सिचुएशन में, कि हम जीत कैसे सकते हैं, हम कहाँ से जीत निकाल सकते हैं, और उस पर डटे रहना, प्लान बनाना एक चीज़ है, लेकिन डटे रहने के लिए सबका कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। और क्रेडिट मैं पूरी टीम को भी देना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि सब लोगों ने इस आइडिया को समझा, उसको ऑन बोर्ड लिया और उसकी तरफ काम किया, और हमको उसके रिजल्ट्स जब दिखने शुरू हुए तो हमें समझ आ गया कि ये हमारा खेलने का तरीका है। हम अपने ओवरसीज़ अगर टूर्स देखें, जैसे मैंने इंग्लैंड टूर की बात करी, साउथ अफ्रीका टूर की बात करी, न्यूजीलैंड को छोड़कर, तो हम समझते हैं, हम हमेशा बहुत 1.5-2 साल तक हम बोलते रहे कि हमें पता है हम 40-45 मिनट में टेस्ट मैच हारे हैं, ना कि हमको डोमिनेट किया गया हर टेस्ट मैच में जब हम घर से दूर खेले। तो जब उसका रिज़ल्ट हमें पिछली ऑस्ट्रेलिया सीरीज़ और इस ऑस्ट्रेलिया सीरीज़ में दिखा, तो हमें और बिलीफ बढ़ा कि नहीं, हम सही रास्ते पे थे, और हमें एज ए टीम हमेशा पता था कि हम सही रास्ते पे जा रहे हैं। लेकिन जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हुआ अभी, स्पेशली यंगस्टर्स का ऐसे आके परफॉर्म करना मेरे हिसाब से ये सबसे ज़्यादा स्पेशल विन है हमारी टीम के लिए, क्योंकि इतना हमारे पास एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था और उन लोगों ने आके जो इम्पैक्ट परफॉर्मेंसेस दी हैं वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ माइंडसेट की वजह से हो सकता है। जो उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि हम जाएंगे और हम जीतने के लिए खेलेंगे, और हमें जीत मिली रिगार्डलेस ऑफ आप किसके सामने खेल रहे हैं, उन्होंने कितने टेस्ट मैच खेले हैं, आपने कितने खेले हैं, वो सब पिक्चर से बाहर चला जाता है। सिर्फ आपका फोकस जीत पे रहता है और हमें उसका रिजल्ट देखने मिला। और जहाँ तक इस सीरीज़ का सवाल है, हम लोग इस सीरीज़ को बिल्कुल भी ये नहीं समझेंगे कि पिछली सीरीज़ से ज़्यादा आसान होगी। जब आप जीतते हैं, आप टॉप टीम बनते हैं दुनिया में, तो आपके चैलेंजेस और बड़े होते जाते हैं और आपको अपनी गेम और ऊपर लेके जानी होती है। वही लॉन्जिविटी, वही कंसिस्टेंसी और सक्सेस का सीक्रेट है इस लेवल पे खेलने के लिए। तो हम लोग उतनी ही डिटर्मिनेशन, उतना ही बिलीफ, उतनी ही इंटेंसिटी से खेलेंगे जो हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया में खेले, और कोशिश करेंगे कि हमारे वही प्लान्स एग्जीक्यूट हों और उसी हम बिलीफ और डिटर्मिनेशन के साथ खेलें। लुक, you know, it's a delicate balance that you need to have in terms of understanding what the team goals are, at the same time communicating accordingly to individuals as to where their games stand, what we are looking to do as a team, what are the team's plans and where do they feature in the team's plans. And yeah, someone like Kuldeep has not had much of game time in the longest format for a while now, and that's I mean, you can count 2 years, but 2020 we literally played no cricket for so long. So it's not actually that long a gap. New Zealand, the conditions were obviously not suited for playing, you know, 3 spinners, and something that he understood as an individual. But now that the home season starts, you know, he will be in the scheme of things. He will be in the team's plans. But yeah, you're right. To keep guys motivated, you need to understand that you need to give them goals. There's something or the other to work towards all the time when you're part of the Indian cricket team. And we are striving for excellence on a daily basis. Kuldeep is someone who's got a lot of skill. He understands that there were areas in his game that he had to work on, which he's worked on beautifully in Australia. I see him fitter. I see his bowling much more improved than it was before. He's adding to his skill sets as well. So yeah, look, it's about giving people goals, and these guys are young, so they understand that once, you know, the opportunity arises and they start capitalizing on these opportunities at a consistent basis, then the careers are very long, and these are the people who are going to take Indian cricket forward in the future years to come. And it's very important we keep them motivated with the group, give them goals to take their game to the next level, because in turn these are the people, as I said, who are going to take the team forward in future.